In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel a payment on Chime. Now, I'm going to be straight up honest with you, and unfortunately, not every single transaction can actually be canceled. Only certain transactions can be canceled on Chime, and in this video, I'm going to explain which transactions can be canceled and what you guys should do. So, for example, if you're doing a payment to a non-Chime user, then you actually do have the opportunity to cancel. So here's how it works. So they have 14 days to claim the funds by entering a debit card. If they don't claim it within the 14 days, the transaction is automatically canceled and the funds are returned to your Chime account. So guys, go ahead and press on this pay over here, and if you do see that there is like a pending transaction or anything like that, go ahead and try to click it, and you may see an option to cancel it directly in the application. All right, so if you initiated a transfer from your Chime account to an external bank account, for example via ACH, and it's still pending, which typically takes 1 to 3 business days for standard transfers, you may be able to cancel it. So again, you always want to go ahead and check the transaction status in the Chime app. So obviously you want to check your transaction history and check if you actually are able to cancel it, but typically you actually are able to if it is pending. So again, this will only work if you're sending money from your Chime account to an external bank account. But those are like the two main ways that you guys could actually cancel a Chime transaction. However, if you guys want more clarification, or if you have like a more specific case, then what I recommend that you guys do is always contact Chime customer support. So what I recommend that you guys do is actually call this number right over here, 844-244-6363, and basically you want to explain to them your situation in a concise and respectful manner, and they will attempt to help you out in any way they can. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.